On June 18th, we're having a manufacturing summit where you're going to have a chance to see 3D scanning technology along with additive manufacturing all into a complete solution with SolidWorks that's going to reverse engineer and improve the design of it. But not only are you going to be able to see this technology, you're going to have a chance to use it with a hands-on test drive of SolidWorks. But not only test drive, you're going to be able to bring your own devices to do this. And our co-sponsor of this event, Advanced 2000, is giving us the technology to allow this. So how does that technology work?
Advanced 2000 is a full-service IT engineering company that specializes in running these engineering applications in the cloud. So for this event, we've created 25 virtual desktops in our data center, and we're going to let you run them. So to do that, you have to bring some kind of device, a laptop, a MacBook, iPad, your phone, doesn't matter. Just bring it in. You'll launch an app on the device, and that will give you full access to a SolidWorks workstation.
Man, that sounds like some great technology. So come on down, and I hope to see you there.